Guys, here's another 1-minute video lesson, and today we're going to be talking about things to think about and look for when you want to short a stock or a market or an ETF that tracks a market or an indice or a sector, so on and so forth. Now, when I'm shorting, the big thing I'm asking the charts is on the daily, where is price action? It must be below the 200-day simple moving average. You can see right through here, PayPal, for example, is something we called out in our chat room, and you can see that price action actually bear flagged below the 200-day simple moving average and really started to pick up steam, selling off from 253 into 162. Again, something that we called out, something we were looking at. And the big thing here is where is price action? It's below that 200-day simple moving average. I'm going back a little bit as price action is finding some resistance off of that 200, and I'm looking at prior support levels, in this case 252. You can also see right through here that 252 level shows up right at this base as price action on this hourly is banging right off of that 200-day simple moving average. So I'm taking these charts, a daily, and I'm breaking it down to an hourly, and I'm looking for the exact same thing. And what that is price action finding 200-day simple moving average resistance, going back to look at a previous swing low or pivot low, and then I'm looking at a transition in momentum from the upside to the downside. And then when all of those things connect, price action carries to the downside. This was a huge play, optionable play, and this is how you short the markets.